New client portal. I'm Natasha and I will be working on your design project. This is going to be your Notion client portal. This is where we're going to do all of our communicating. This is where we're going to have all of our files uploaded. It's going to be your one-stop shop to get everything that you need for your project. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. This is the top portion with your title where it says new client portal. Your name or your project name will go in this section here. Right below, you have a section to add a comment. Once you've been invited to your client portal, your icon will be there. You can upload your image if you'd like. Any comment that you add here will be seen by me. Any comment that I add will be seen by you, and we'll be able to communicate that way. Going down, you have a little highlight button here, a little call out to let you know when you see this icon that you need to take a few minutes to read through it. So this section is going to be your dashboard. It's going to be an example view of the entire project, of how we're going to handle each section, each portion of the projects. This is going to be your welcome card. Then how we're going to communicate is in your communications card. Then you have your contract and invoices card and your offboarding files and final review card. And these are just examples. So if you ever were wondering, hey, what do I need to do here? What do I need to do there? It's all explained for you in the dashboard up here. Then down in this section at the very bottom, you're going to have your project tracker. This is where we're going to work out of mainly. So this is going to have a check option on each step, which is numbered 1 through 10. And I'll be filling in the dates as well as the status. The only thing that I'll need for you to do is to click on the open button next to each step. So looking at step 1, your client intake form, which I've already informed you about, you'll need to complete. The only thing you're going to need to do is hit open. So once you click there, it's going to open up in a side menu, your client intake form. So this is just a call out letting you know exactly what you need to do to complete this form. You're going to click on the toggle option and it's going to drop down the menu. And this form is easily filled out where you're going to enter your name. You're just going to type here your name and it'll be saved. When you're done, you'll see up here, you can add a comment, complete, and I'll see that. And you just hit send and it'll go straight over to me. No worries. So everything here you can type in on the actual portal of Notion in your client portal and I'll see it. So that makes it a lot easier for us to collaborate and work through. So that's just a quick example of the entire client portal walkthrough. We can jump in and go through each card. This is what you're going to mainly do when you get access to your portal in your own time, but I'm just going to run through each one really quickly. Clicking on step 1, that's welcome to your Notion portal. Your card is going to pop out like this, and it's going to show you, again, that call out for you to read through and how to complete. Now, these are all going to be examples of how we're going to work through, but again, you're going to notice that there is a toggle option here. Anytime you see this button, you know that that's a drop-down menu. You'll just need to click it, read through, and complete what's asked of you there. So this is going to be your welcome guide recording, and you'll just need to click there to see the video. Now to exit this menu, you're going to click anywhere outside of the card, and that's going to take you back to your dashboard. So we're going to jump into communications. Again, notice that call out that you'll need to read through, and then you'll see here that these are toggle options that you'll need to click on. So this will be for communicating with our design process. I will go ahead, I'll go ahead and upload our first draft here. You'll see the file. You can click on it to view, and then right below there, you have the option to give your feedback. So once you click on this, either one, like let's just say you're like, hey, I want to know what's going on here. There's some important things that I want you to know going forward. You can go ahead and add that here. important. I need you to know. So again, you have that freedom to go ahead and communicate with me using this tool. The other thing I wanted to bring to your attention is this is mainly for text, which is perfectly fine. But let's say, hey, I saw this picture on, a drugstore window that I fell in love with. Using Notion, you can go ahead and hit the backslash on any empty space. So I'm going to hit backslash. Notice that there's going to be a drop down menu that appears automatically, and you're going to just go through and select. If it's an image, like let's just say you took a screenshot or you took a picture on your phone and you want to upload it here and say, hey, I really love this image, you'll hit the image option and then hit upload and upload file, and you'll put it right there and it'll go right in and I'll be able to see it, and you'll just say, hey, take a look at this image. I fell in love with it. Do you think we can do something like that? So communication is key, and this is how we're going to mainly communicate. To get back to your main menu, you'll go to the top here. Notice that there's like a breadcrumb of what we've been clicking through, so you can kind of see the last window that we were in was the communications. Before that was helpful information. Before that was your new client portal. So that's kind of like going back using that breadcrumb option. Or if you want to just utilize the side menu, you can do that as well. So we've already gone through communications. We're going to jump over to contracts and invoices. Same thing. You have your call out at the top, your section over here where you can add a comment. If you have any questions, your contract will be here for you to click on to view, and it'll be signed. So then what you'll do is download that signed copy, go ahead and sign it. You can sign electronically as well. And if you have any questions on that, let me know and I can actually show you how to do that. And then you'll re-upload the signed contract with both signatures, yours and mine, right here in the option that says re-upload signed contract below. And that's how we'll handle that. Then offboarding files and your final review. Again, same format. Your call out is here. Your comment section is here. You notice these toggle options. This is going to be your files. Everything is going to be uploaded here. Goodbye packet will be uploaded here. And then font licensing and other licensing information will be uploaded in this section as well. Then at the bottom, your review, where you can just type something in and you can just click out to get out of that menu. So that is the general overview of your client portal. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask. This is our tool that we're going to be using going forward, and I look forward to working with you.